It's time to make a video. All right, so today I'm going to be making a video about the Just One J39 helmet chin mount that we have made. They're custom designed for each individual helmet. They are mounted to the helmet with this 3M mounting tape. It's the same mounting tape that GoPro uses for their mounts. They're also designed to give you enough distance from the helmet so that way you can get a tilt back angle that allows you to get your camera parallel to the horizon when you're standing up on the bike. You're going to be able to get the best view of the terrain that you're riding over. Our mounts are made out of a hard rubberized material. You can see this is somewhat flexible. It's still a hard material, and that makes these mounts impact resistant. We have smashed these with sledgehammers. We've driven them over with a truck. The same mount, it was just fine. Like, there's nothing wrong with the mount, perfectly usable after that. It's not gonna break. So if you want to take one of these off, the best way that I've found to do this is to press up on the mount from the bottom hard enough, and eventually it'll give way. When you're mounting a new mount, first thing you want to do is figure out where the mount is supposed to go. And then we're going to provide you with a couple of alcohol cleaning swabs. So just wipe down the surface of your helmet, especially if it's a used helmet, with dirt on there. And then you can go ahead and remove the sticky pads from the backing here. What I like to do is I like to hold the helmet between my legs, and then you can pull back on these wings. They are flexible enough so you can move them. So where the mount is in its resting position is where it's supposed to sit on the helmet. So just pull it back slightly so that way you can get it in without it sticking where it's not supposed to be. Line it up and set it down, and then just press down on it. Then it should stay there. It's not going to come off. It's going to be very secure. So here you can see the camera mounted up and the light on the light mount. We designed these mounts to work specifically with this Osmo light. It's nice because it's fully adjustable. You can basically point it straight down or straight up. I like to keep it in line with the camera so that way you get the best point of view from the camera footage. But that's not the only use for this, right? If you're doing night riding, having a camera mounted to your helmet allows you to see where you're going better, allows you to see into turns, it allows you to have that second perspective of light over the terrain. So if you have like the dirt bike's light, it's shining across the terrain, horizontal with the terrain, so you're getting all these dark spots. And this light is going to shine down into all the holes. Their headlight on your bike isn't illuminating, and it's going to allow you to see more of the terrain that you're riding over. So you could mount 2 of these Osmo lights to it and have an insane amount of light. You really could mount any flashlight to this that has those GoPro mounting forks. So real quick, I just wanted to cover why we decided to get into the chin mounting business. We've used a ton of different GoPro mounts, and we realized there's really no good options out there unless you have one that's specifically designed for your helmet. You get the lowest possible point of view while being still attached to your head. So you get the first person perspective without having it look like it's looking down on the terrain that you're riding over. So if you have the camera mounted up on top of your helmet, not only are you going to see the visor, you're not going to have that same depth of field. The perspective that you get for mounting it here feels a lot more like the terrain that you're looking at, the terrain that you're riding over when you're riding over it. It also keeps it centered with your point of view. The thing I don't like about mounting it to the side of the helmet is that it always feels kind of off center, because it is, right? You get the side of the rider's perspective rather than kind of like centered to it. It doesn't look like what you're actually riding over. It is right in front of your mouth, so if you're doing any kind of like moto vlogging, if you're talking to the camera at all, it does have really good audio pickup, especially with these media mods that have these external built-in mics. Wait, and there was oil leaking out of here.
Where?
Here? Wasn't there? When you punched it?
Yeah, I punched it here.
It's also more protected. If you have it mounted to the top of your helmet or to the side of your helmet, it stands a greater risk of being knocked off your helmet, getting just tilted up, and so you're just getting footage of the sky. It's a lot better to have it mounted right in front of you. At the very least, you know when it's on your helmet, you know that it's filming the right thing, it's in the right position, and you can actually like guarantee that you're getting the footage that you want to get. So the last thing I want to go over is what comes in the box. You're going to get one of our mounts. You're going to get a myriad of stickers. You're going to get one for our podcast. You got this cool one that Gail's daughter made, and so we turned it into a sticker. Our original wannabe sticker. A couple of cleaning pads that we talked about earlier. A GoPro screw. Wannabe's Bible. It has warranty information on it. That's the most important thing. If you have a warranty claim that you want to get a new mount, just hit us up and we'll replace it. QR code is for our product support page on our website. So if you need help with anything, follow that link and you'll get all of our resources that are available. We also sell some accessories on our our website. We sell this 90-degree adapter if you're doing any filming for Instagram or TikTok or YouTube Shorts. This 90-degree adapter is going to rotate the camera so that you're getting the aspect ratio for the phone screen straight out of the camera, so you don't have to crop the footage, which makes it really easy for you to get higher quality footage from your GoPro for your reels. We also sell replacement lenses. These are for the Hero 9, 10, and 11, just in case you catch a rock in the face and you need to replace this. It's good to have in your GoPro bag. And we sell these replacement battery doors. So if you're not running the media mod, but you want to do external power to your GoPro, these external battery doors have these ports where you can plug in like a USB-C cable to your GoPro, and that allows you to charge externally without the media mod. If you like this video, like and subscribe to our channel. Check out all of the links in the description below. We'll have one for this helmet. We'll have one for all of our accessories. We'll have one to our Instagram page if you want to check out the footage that you can get with this mounting setup. I mean, that's everything. Thanks for watching.